You think you know about ocean exploration? Well, forget submarines. They literally figured out how to put human consciousness into fish. I was the test subject they picked for this wild experiment. They put this thing called a consciousness separator on my head. But here's the thing about being a small fish. You're basically a swimming snack. And guess what happened? I got eaten. But instead of dying, my consciousness jumped into the bigger fish that ate me. And this keeps happening. Fish eats me. I become that fish. Got eaten by a shark? Now I'm the shark. Then things got really crazy. These fishermen caught my shark self for some fancy restaurant sashimi. And when this rich guy ate me, bam, I became him. Just jumped right into his body. His consciousness gone forever. But there's just one tiny problem. To get back into my original body, these scientists need to feed this fisherman I'm currently inhabiting to my original body. I have to become a cannibal to get back to being me.
When he came out, he was laughing and crying at everything, like a faulty tap that won't shut off. I've seen what these tests do to people.
Everyone screamed. Everyone except me. I couldn't pretend anymore. Just stood there, empty as a dried up well.